everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mo. So in this video we're just gonna get right on into this. So my hair is freshly washed and moisturized. I'm just gonna give y'all a little recap of the products I used. Also guys, look at this definition though. All I did is apply this on my hair. I didn't do nothing else. And look at my definition. First product I use is this OYIN, OYIN, Handmade Juices and Berries. It's a hair tonic, leave-in. And then the next is this ORS, you already know, Anti-Breakage leave-in. And it has protein, that's mainly why I used it. And then my sealant, of course, is my product, is my handmade product. But the star of the show will be this My Gel from Joy's Naturals. It's everything, literally. Extra hold. It's really about to slay my hair. Like I said before, my hair is freshly washed and detangled, so it, as you can see, it is sectioned off. I'm gonna first start braiding this section of hair, and that's the first thing I'm gonna do is start braiding this whole section in mini braids. Once I get a medium-sized section, I go in with my Joy Naturals My Gel Extra Hold. This, aka gel slash, I feel like it's mainly like edge control, is a really healthy and nourishing gel. This is my holy grail since supposedly the whole eco style incident. But I really love this gel. That's, as you're about to see, it really do slick down and smooths my my hair down. I use this for all my clients, especially all my dreadhead clients. Look at this. Excuse this hang time though. Shrinkage is the devil. Even though, you know, that means your hair is healthy if it shrinks. But still, shrinkage is the devil.
Pussy at ocean, I dive, but never drown asleep. Well, I swim like Phelps. Fuck a Bae Locs, I ain't never need help.
I'll just say, excuse me, y'all. I'm her assistant, and she's a really good person. This is one of my best friends ever in the whole entire world. So, you know, subscribe. Subscribe to her channel, okay?
That was my best friend. He played too much. Anyways, so basically right now I am basically finishing up this section of here. I'm on my last one, and then I'm about to show y'all how I do this. Now with the grand finale, these are called Bae Locs. They're 12 inches. I got 3 packs. I got 2 in 27 and 1 in 30. And I got them short mainly because it's about hot as, you know. And I don't got time to be hot with fake hair, like dub. So that's why I got short. So anyways, I'm going to show y'all how I do this. I have my crochet needle. And basically what I'm doing is putting it through the base of my braid, and then pulling the thread through, and then as y'all see in the process, I wrap the dread. Like I open up the dread and I wrap it around. The ones that have the yarn on it, y'all see like I go from the bottom of the dread up and pull my hair through. But you'll see the process.
I swim like Phelps. Fuck a Bae Locs, I ain't never need help.
Once again, going from the base of my braid, pulling the dread through, and also locking it in by, I guess you can say, looping it, and looping my braid as well while I loop it. You'll see as I'm doing it. And then I wrap the dread around my braid.
Baby, open your mind, or you wanna get high. Baby, it's all yours. It's all yours.
So with this subsection, this is my last dread on this side. And then I'm going to, you know, continue the rest of my head, braiding the other side of my head, and then applying, then braiding the back of my head, and then applying. This process, I honestly feel like, was a short period of time. But yeah, guys, enjoy.
Baby, it's all yours.
This is what I was talking about when I said the yarn pieces was completely different than the other pieces I was able to wrap. So yeah, this is my last one on this other side. And as you see, I'm doing it from the base, pulling it through, looping it through with my braid and the dread. Then you'll see me go from the bottom of the dread, putting my crochet needle from the bottom, and then pulling my hair from the base through the dread. If you catch my drift, you're about to see like a little clip of that.
Baby, open your mind, know you wanna get high. Baby, it's all yours. It's all yours. Before I stick, I lick envelope tips, take flicks. This shit is amateur porn, 1,000,000 hits. My new boo thing classify me as an assy nigga. And she ain't looking in her past cause her future bigger. Whoa, this nigga gold. Fleck finds keep the
doing exactly what I did to the 2 subsections in the front, doing that in the back. Yeah, so I know I pre-parted my hair, but I really didn't like that part that I did. So when I put my hair over, I liked it so much better than how it was looking with the pre-part. But yes, guys, this is the final look, finishing look. How do y'all like this?
It's all yours. Look at the remedy, energy, business in me, tempting me, obligated to lesson, I do it willingly. That pussy at ocean, I dive, but never drown asleep. Well, I swim like Phelps, fuck a Bae Locs, I ain't never need help.
And of course, I definitely did tuck in some of the hairs that you do see. I definitely did tuck that in. I can't see behind my head, of course, so but once I saw that, I tucked it in. So thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias, and y'all already know I will definitely see y'all next time.